Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Well, in this video, I would like to proceed with another one more command in sheet metal module, which is known as sketch band. Okay, sketch band is this one. All right, the icon command for the sketch band, which is falls under sheet metal toolbar or sheet metal tab. All right, so let's get started. Let's say I do have. I'm going to pick my top plane as my sketch plane, and then I'm going to apply my center rectangle, and this I'm going to have a certain dimension. Let's say over here I'm going to make it 200 mm, the length, whereas the width of over here I'm going to indicate it as 60 mm. There you are. Then I'm going to apply the extruded, oh sorry, not the features. I'm going to apply the sheet metals base flange, whereby I'm going to maintain with 1.5 mm sheet metal thickness. And in this case, same like jog just now, but for jog, if you realize that we can only indicate a, a line in a different sketches. Okay. However, for the sketch band command, we can have many uh, border lines or uh, straight lines or a line with certain angles with on a certain particular key on a certain particular plane or surface. All right, so we can create more than one border lines. So let's say I'm going to pick, for example, okay, I will show to you how does it look like. Okay, so let's say I'm going to pick this plane as my sketch plane, and then I'm going to proceed with the borderline, which I've already told you just now. Let's say I'm going to have this one here. Okay, another one is I'm going to make it somewhere around here. Okay, instead we can have multiple borderlines, not like the jog, okay, previously, whereby if jog we have to create the lines for the individual border lines for those related uh, sketches. All right, so let's say this one, I'm going to pick another one more here, and let's say last one. You can indicate the dimensions, okay, the dimensions of this one. Let's say the distance from here to here is 40. Okay, you can indicate the dimensions if you want to. Okay, let's say I'm going to create another one more here, whereby, okay, let's say we indicate the dimensions. Let's say over here is 50 mm. The distance between here to here, let's say, is 45 mm. And distance between here to here is, let's say, I'm going to make it 35 mm. Okay, it doesn't matter the length. Okay, so because this is only an example that I wanted to show to you how we can apply the sketch band. So we go to sketch band. Okay, same as what we have done for the jog. We need to select which section that we're going to decide for the fixed fees. Alright, this I'm going to pick this section as my fixed fees. So I'm going to pick this one. There you are. So it will become like that. Okay. So this one's also same, the bend position like jog. Okay, we do have center line. We do have material inside. Okay, we do have material outside, and also bend offset. Okay, and just same like the jog command for the sketch bend. The bend positions normally I will just maintain with the uh, default type of bend position, which is bend center line, right? So let's say if I'm going to pick this time, let's say I'm going to pick this area or this section as my fixed face. So let's see how does it look like. So just pick this one, and there you are. Okay, uh, and even you can play around with the angle, same like the chalk. Okay, so you can play around with the angle as well. Okay, let's say how does, if let's say how, if you pick the end section here, so how it looks like. So they are, will become like that. Okay guys, so you can play around with this particular of command in order to create a certain part. Okay, let's see how about if we try it out with the, let's say I'm going to pick my top plane as my sketch plane, and this time I'm going to apply my center point straight slot. Let's see, let's I just simply create without any dimensions. You can indicate the dimensions if we want to, but in this case I just simply create a sketch without any dimensions, since this is because I just wanted to show to you the examples. So I'm going to pick this face as my sketch plane, and this time let's say I'm going to create a line with a center with a certain angle. Let's say, okay, we create like this. Okay, with different angles. You can indicate the angles, alright? You can indicate the angles. For example, like this one, you can indicate the angles of this one. Okay, you can indicate the angles. Okay, with different angles. However, this one, the rest, I just create a line. Okay, with certain angles, alright? So let's say we finish like that. You can have this one as well. Okay, the rest of the angle. Let's say this one is 50. Okay, remind this one also, both of these also you can create by your own. Okay, now let's say we apply with the sketch pen our fix section is, I'm going to fix this particular of sections. Alright, so I just click this one and it will become like that. Okay, but this one clash, so probably we can increase the or reduce the angle, in order to avoid from this one clash just now. Okay, if 90 degree. And then how about if I pick this one, end of this one as my fixed face. Let's say this one, I'm going to make it 90 degree angle. See, clash, it still clash. It's still clash, so it means that I need to reduce the angle, same like just now. There you are. How about if I select this center section or center area as my fixed face? Alright, just click this one. Okay, it will become like that. Alright guys, there you are. Okay, so this is all about the sketch band, so how you can apply it on a certain section or certain area on a part. This if you flatten it, and it will become like that. Alright guys, okay, there you are. So you can try out by your own. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you very much.